Hey, to use Sound Equalizer of the Nothing Ear 2, you have to just open the Nothing X application on your device and click on the equalizer right here. And we've got actually two options. The first one, you can choose from this simple presets. So we got balanced, more bass, more treble, voice, or custom one. So now we can move this dots and set it up to your own preferences. But also you can go for the more advanced options, and from this you can find some different profiles, and now we get actually more options to customize sound preferences. And if you want to finish, you can just click here and go back. And now when you go back for this equalizer, you can just click save, set the new profile name, and as you can see now it's actually finished. So you've got the custom one or this default, this second one that you actually create right now, and each one is activated, actually got this green dot on the left side. And also you can remove these presets by clicking just right here. And when you click here, you can even import or share equalizer. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.